plant, but it looks like it's deficient in a certain nutrient. It has flea beetle damage here, or cucumber beetle damage, and it's stunted compared to my other squash I'll show in a few minutes. I will be making a trip to the garden center and see what the employees say. Take a picture of the other one. This one's also just as badly damaged. See the flea beetle holes? Hoping if I give it some nutrient supplements, and it should be able to recover. This one's also showing flea beetle damage. And in a few minutes I will show the other healthy. Fine, I see no severe signs of insect damage. The leaves are bright green. So this soil here is fine. Let's see the other squash here. Healthy, big green leaves. Also healthy, big green leaves. So my assumption is the other squash is deficient in a nutrient. Okay, I just went to the garden center a few minutes ago and I found out what was wrong with the squash here. As I suspected, there was a gardener there that said that the plants likely are nutrient deficient, and judging by the ants crawling all over the plant, it might actually be ant holes that are eating the plant. So I put some fertilizer down under the plants. I top dressed it as well as buried some into the holes nearby the plants. So keep an eye on them. I also got some BT to spray on the plants, at least until they catch up again and start looking healthier. So hopefully in a few days the plants perk up again and they look better.